How to upload your songs on Audiomack. First, you want to download Audiomack from a Play Store and it's going to open up like this. Now you can create a free account or you can log in if you already have an account. To create an account, it's very simple. You can create an account using your Gmail, your Twitter, Facebook, or Apple. So you just have to click any of these ways to create a free account. Now I have already created an account, so I'm just going to log into my account. So once you have logged into Audiomack, you will have to download one more application to upload your songs because you cannot do it directly from Audiomack app. So head over to Play Store. And from here, you want to download an app called Audiomack Creator. So download this app, and once you have done that, tap on Open. Now you want to make sure that you log into this application from the same ID that you used in the Audiomack app. So if you used your Gmail to log in, make sure that you log into this app with the same Gmail as well. And once you do that, you want to tap on the Upload button, which is at the top of your screen. Now here you want to select your upload type. I'm going to upload a song, so I will select song. Now tap on next. Here you need to browse your file and then select the file that you want to upload. So from here, you want to tap on the file that you want to upload. Now remember that you want to upload the music that you have created. So upload your own songs, because if you upload someone else's song, there might be copyright issue and the song will be taken down. So make sure that you choose your own music. Once you do that, tap on next. And now you need to fill up these details. So here you can add your artist name. You can add the song title as well. Now you can fill up other details such as featuring, producers, album, and other details. So here in explicit, you can choose if your song is explicit or clean. Then you can choose a genre. After this, you can also choose some subgenres if you want that. Now you can also choose the mood of the song as well. After this, you want to tap on next step. Now the next step is to add a caption. If you want, you can simply add the caption to describe what your song is going to be. Now tap on next step. And here you can decide if you want the song to be public or private. You can also choose to schedule or premiere access. So I'm going to select public. Now tap on finish and your upload is completed. So here you can share your song as well, or you can also view your song. So now if you want to check out your song in the Audiomack app, head over to Audiomack, and from here you want to tap on My Library. Now tap on Uploads, and as you can see, your song is over here, so you can tap on it to play your song. So from here you can start playing your song, and that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.